In the Grade 5 unit, Analyzing Digital Images, learners explore Scratch as a tool for detecting color variations. Scratch is a drag-and-drop block coding language and online community where students can create and share their own interactive stories, games, and animations. Scratch is as colorful and fun as many online games, but is more than a game. It's a programming language that allows users to control the inputs and outputs of a computer. In this unit, learners are guided by the question, how can I control what I see on my computer screen using Scratch? In Lesson 2, a tool for analyzing, students learn that an algorithm is a set of instructions expressed in any language or representation, while a program is a set of instructions written in code so that a computer can understand it. They use this understanding to program a sprite or character to analyze an image for color variations and leverage the power of the computer. As young people create and share Scratch projects, they learn to think creatively, reason systematically, and work collaboratively. You'll learn more about Scratch and related concepts in the Lesson 2 scavenger hunt.